guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment in the comment section. So before I even go on with this video, I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. I get a lot of messages, like sometimes I'm like, but I don't get that much views on YouTube. Oh, hi, I just watched your video on YouTube. Where do I get them from? Because I don't understand, or YouTube is hiding my views or something. But I really want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers, those that go out of their way to send me a message on WhatsApp, you know, even if it's regarding admission or whatever. So I'm really excited about today's video because this particular school, I've been working with them for a very long time. So this particular scholarship is for those that are interested in PhD degrees. They have a range of courses that you can apply for, and trust me, the requirements are very basic. I process admission, like I said, and I know there are a lot of schools that when it comes to scholarship, their requirements are, I wouldn't say impossible, but sometimes it's like, it's too much. So recently, this particular school reached out to me and they told me that they have scholarship opportunities for those that are interested in applying for PhD. If you follow the steps I'm going to tell you right now, I'm very confident that you will move to China in the next 3 months. I'm not coming to give you motivational speech. Like I said, it's a school I've been working with for a while. So most of the informations I'm going to give you guys, I'll also leave them in the description box. And if you don't understand, you can go ahead and use the WhatsApp link in the description box to send me a direct message. So let's just get into the video. For PhD programs in China, most of the PhD programs are for 3 years, while some of them are for 2 years, depending on the course you're going for. First, let's start with the application process. Documents you need for this particular application is very easy to get. I think if you're into, or if you're someone that is interested in relocating, most of the documents I'm going to mention, you already have them. So you don't really need to do too much. The first thing you need is the data page of your international passport. The second document is a blank page of that same international passport. The third document is you need a passport photograph. Preferably, you need a passport photograph with a white background. The fourth document you need, because you're applying for a PhD program, you need your master's degree certificate. That's the fourth document. The fifth document will be your transcript. And the last document will be 2 recommendation letters, one from a professor or an associate professor, and maybe from any organization that you've worked with before. If you have these documents and you start the application now, in the next 3 months, you'll be in China. The visa process for study in China is very easy. In like 1 or 2 weeks, you have your visa ready. And unlike other countries that you need to do proof of fund and the rest of it, account statement is usually very easy. The money required is not even that much. Besides, you're coming for a scholarship. So the next thing, what are the benefits of this particular scholarship aside the fact that you're getting a degree? That's the sweetest part. One of the benefits is the scholarship covers full tuition fee for the entire duration of your study. Accommodation covered as well for the entire duration of your study. Please remember that the accommodation is on campus and the facilities are really good, spacious, nice hostel, 24 hours lights, you know, you have your room to yourself. The next benefit is you have health insurance. For international students, yes, we usually pay for health insurance. Last but not the least, which is the sweetest part, you have a monthly allowance of 3,500 RMB. I mean, you have free tuition, free accommodation, health insurance, and a monthly allowance of 3,500 RMB. It doesn't get better than this. Like, it doesn't really get better than this. I'm going to list out a few courses that, you know, you can apply for. There is crop science, there is animal science, there is forestry, there is electrical engineering, there is economic management, and lots more. I didn't really mention all the courses. I'll leave a link to the school website in the description box. Like I said, when you have all these documents, the documents are really easy. I mentioned earlier, if you're somebody that is already interested in traveling, getting these documents wouldn't be that much of a big deal for you. So that's that about this particular scholarship. Let me know if you want me to talk about more courses or more scholarship opportunities. Yes, I do get a lot of DMs regarding scholarship and study in China. If you guys would like to see more of this kind of video, please leave me a comment in the comment section. If you would like me to talk about a particular course, if you would like to know if there is opportunity for a particular course, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.
Shawty out nice, so clean, make a man want holla. Anytime I see ya.